This week's Adobe Captivate journey, I began by adding a few more slides to my presentation. I'm getting closer to the end, which I'm getting really excited about, but definitely still learning along the way. So I went ahead and added another little title slide. The second slide was another learning objective, just kind of like letting people know exactly how these virtual classrooms can be used and the programs that they can choose from. And then I finally figured out how to utilize a widget, so I was excited about that. Whenever I show you the preview, this will show you how each step can be clicked on, and a little bitty description will pop up right here. And I also added voiceover for all of these slides. That way they have directions on what's going on. And then after this one, after the widget slide, I did add a YouTube video. I embedded it that will automatically play to show users how to create or how to edit their Google Slides backgrounds. And then I also added another true and false question, except this time I added some graphics and I added a little arrow which will I played around with the different pathways for the animation there, and so it's going to do a little loop-de-loop and then go to the Google Slides to kind of show that the first you click here and then the second thing you do is click Google Slides. Let me pull that down real quick. Sorry about that. Okay. Alrighty, and then I did take back some feedback from my peer feedback. I went ahead and added on the past slides audio on all of the true and false questions. This slide right here is still glitching a little bit whenever I do the preview, but I still think it's just my program that I have, the version of it, because whenever I do it without recording, or like whenever I have all my tabs closed, it doesn't take up as much, I guess, energy, so to speak, for my computer, so it does work then. And then this slide right here, I went ahead and added audio for this slide as well to kind of give users the directions to be able to click on each tab and how to do that. And let's see if there were anything else that I did. I also messed around with the transitions to kind of make them go a little bit more smoother as well. So let me go ahead and show y'all my preview. Hopefully it's working for us. Well, different ways to implement virtual classrooms. True or false? Virtual classrooms can be used as a place to find important information and resources. Virtual classrooms can be created on various platforms such as Google Slides, Canva, and PowerPoint. However, today we will focus on how to create an interactive classroom on Google Slides. Below are steps to get started. Click on each step to see the description and follow on a separate browser. If you already have a Google account or Google Slides access, you can go ahead and access that at this time.
So you go up here and click background, and it'll give you some options to change the color or change the image.
True or false? In order to create a new Google Slides presentation, you will first click New, then click Google Slides. Sorry, my internet's glitching a little bit. And then it will give them the score at the end of this.